Hi everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy and you're watching OVR Kids YouTube channel. What we have here is a lenticular jigsaw puzzle of Star Wars the movie. What a great movie, huh? So let's not waste any time and open it. Whoa, look how many pieces we have here, 100 pieces. Do you think that we can solve this jigsaw puzzle? Let's assemble it together. One group will include all the boundaries of the puzzle and the other one will include all the inside parts of the puzzle. Yes, I managed to solve this Star Wars jigsaw puzzle. In the beginning it was a bit difficult, but then I realized what I have to do and I changed my strategy. In this specific puzzle you can notice there is a big difference between the dark parts, like the dark side, and the bright parts. So the moment I realized that I have to gather them together, it was much easier for me to solve this jigsaw puzzle. What do you say, kids, about this Star Wars jigsaw puzzle? It's a nice one, huh? This is Kylo Ren, he's the villain in the latest Star Wars movie, and these are his soldiers, the stormtroopers. Which Star Wars movie do you like the most? Write it as a comment to this video and tell me about it. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about the Star Wars lenticular jigsaw puzzle. For further information about this jigsaw puzzle, please check the description to this video, and if you still have any questions about it, please comment on this video and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to like this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channels, Original Video Reviews, OVR Fashion, and of course this channel, OVR Kids. And there's also the Facebook page and the Google Plus page and the Twitter account and the Instagram account, so there are plenty of ways for you to follow Original Video Reviews. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.